Hello everyone. So in this video, we will guide you how you can manage your document series or how you can change your document series from auto to manual and from manual to auto. So from two options, you can manage the same from settings module and from your document creation page. Why it is required? As because multiple cases we have seen that people want to keep their own item series and in mid between they want to make changes. So how they can go ahead and create the document number as per their requirement and the document as per their document series. So first of all, you need to click on all modules, go to settings. Once you will go to settings, here you need to click on documents. Now go to document number format. Please check here is an option of auto and manual. You will find these options on each and every document format. So suppose for order confirmation, I want to make it manual. I can quickly just click here and can make the document series to manual. So please check once I clicked on manual series, the auto series is no more available. I can quickly just go ahead and create the document. Let me show you how. So this is one of my OC create page. So what I will do, I will quickly just go ahead and refresh this page. Now please check here the document number is blank. I can quickly just go ahead and fill in the document number. Now from while creating the document, how you can manage it, how you can make the changes from manual to auto. So here you will get an option of customize. Click on this. Now I will select auto. Once I will click on back, please check. Now the number is coming. So accordingly, you can make the changes and create the document from your settings module. And while creating the document, this customize option you will be getting on each and every document which are created, like invoice, PO, and other documents. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.